Good Monday morning, everyone. Today is Mindful Monday, so make sure you do the mindfulness exercise before we meet at 8:30. Also be ready to share with your classmates then. We will also be meeting in two groups today with Miss Rollins and I. So take a look at the slide on the classwork PowerPoint to see who you will have math and literacy class with today. The only actual work you will do in literacy today is to make any corrections to your mom paragraph that I might have given you, and also draw a picture on the first slide of your mom so that I can send it in Seesaw for Mother's Day on Tuesday. I also have one-on-one meetings today, so check out your time on the slide in the PowerPoint as well. Let's make it a great Monday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.